Pontiac in it, unique specialty and classics. 1978 Pontiac Trans Am. 400 V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Has had a repaint. As you can see, the gray, black, and red bird on the hood. Of course, your shaker style hood. And then let's take a look at the front fascia. Now, as far as the paint, it has a nice luster to it, as you can see with the reflection and shine coming off it. There are some spots in some of the panels. I don't know if I'll really be able to get it to show up, but there's just kind of some real light pimples if you see it in person. And again, on the white, it's kind of a forgiving paint color. There you can kind of see like that right there. So it's tough to kind of get it to show up, and from a few feet away, it's not real noticeable because of the white. But check out the still pictures. There's over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the Pontiac Motor Division, rally style wheels. And again, with that paint, it's not every panel. It's just a few of them. It's that fender. I know it's a little down this door. But again, you're not going to get to really show up with the photos or the camera because it doesn't really draw your attention and doesn't stand out a lot. But you get up on top of it, you can notice it. Red interior, vinyl bucket seats, power window switches on the center console. Does have a retro style radio in it. Of course, the automatic shifter down there on the floor. Radio does work, wipers work. We'll get around to that side and start it up here in a second too, so you can hear it run. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the underside. I think there was some recent exhaust components put on there also. And yeah, the underside pictures will give you a good shot of everywhere underneath this car too. And again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Nice one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. I mean, you may have a few very minor ones on there here and there, but overall, shows well. All right, check out the interior here a little bit closer. Door panels, good shape, armrest. As you can see, wear on the seating area, no rips, tears, holes. I do have pictures underneath the floor mats, so you'll be able to see the carpeting in with the still pictures. The car is equipped with cruise, and again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, wipers work. And let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. All right. That was a cold start. As you can see, radio works. Turn that down a second. Tachometer over here, also working. Fuel gauge, voltmeter, rear defrost. Take a look at the dash. Lots of times you see these cracked, faded, sun checked. Looks good. All right, let's go ahead and check out the headliner. It's all intact. Lots of times you see those coming down. Looks good on this one. Passenger seat is nice as the driver's, and you can check out all the interior in the still pictures also. Door closes nicely. Hinge pins are good. Slip around to the back. Nice little rumble coming out of that 400. And again, Pontiac 400 V8 underneath the hood. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, nice and tight under the hood, as you can see. This is a numbers matching 400, by the way. You'll be able to see the end of the VIN stamp in the block, and with the still pictures, you're also going to see the call tag or data tag, the VIN plate on the car, so all those things will be in the still pictures also. See, AC compressor did not have it switched on. It does blow cold. And once again, power steering, power brakes. So nicely equipped. Power windows also. Looking for a 78 TA, you can get in, turn the key and drive, have a little fun. Here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. We can call in or email.